me not record that.
Yo, man, not record a blood clot song, man. Wait, who is Meekle and Chico?
Don't run the man, you waste time. You say, oh, alone, yeah, man.
Fuck off the Meekle. So you have to fuck off, man. What you dealing?
How you take man for soda back? If I say go dog, it's not that serious.
You the chepe when the milk you think you
Brown bag.
What is chepe?
So you know see check thing, have him check thing. I me have chepe.
Nanga what?
Me nah record no more them fuck with them. About Meekle and Marlon, but I tune the pussy clad. I tune what?
Contract, you don't know that. Yeah, that's why I tell you, contract, you can we and check with.
Next time is a box you are gonna get. Now I'm gonna down something for liver. That me I tell you.
That not sound nice. That not sound good at all.
Yeah,
We want a true track.
We want a true track. True.
You know, so that a sexual harassment.
Brown bag. Soul touch a road.
Like a pastor will say.
You don't hear about the comedy in Brown bag.
You know, say them the Bill Cosby. What? What do you mean? What do you mean?
I don't know one principle. I work off and I'm gonna be some driver dealing.
Done one.
You think I made in the New York movie this? I saw me, I saw you in the forward.
You sure you will see it was a two-time job going at the place where your fire marshal get fucked.
Ever hear Mr. Meekle? Yeah, party page.
Yo, what going on, General?
You know, say them youth the way you sign over here, so I talk about you.
Messy low man, can't saw you. I look.
Looks is deceiving them, so if anything are foreign, I want you.
What?
You move like you're Kirby. Like you come from space to pussy. You move like you're outcast.
It a go touch a road hotter than the white line.
You say you're outcast.
Yo, what the bumper clot you down here? Man, come out of me and bumper clot recording. Come out of me.
A Hungry Man's Film Production.
Man, come out of me like you are.
We want 60 and 32.
Yeah.
And that didn't say.
Something like that.
Yeah, 60 and 32.
Brown bag coming soon.